Now discuss the fundamentals for writing a C program. Variable. A variable as a portion of memory used to store a value. Data can be stored in or accessed from a given location in the RAM by using the specific address. A variable is a temporary storage location for data that can be changed in a program. This can be used to store data input by the user or store the result of a calculation in the program. Constant. Constant are defined when certain fixed data are being used several times in the program. A value in a program may never change, it remains the same no matter how many times you run it. Such a value can be stored as a constant. Constant and variables can be classified as primary and secondary based on their type. Primary constant or variable in case a data is of a basic data types int, float, double or char, then it is called a primary constant or variable. Secondary constant variable, apart from the basic data types, data can also be or types array, pointer, structure, union or enum. Such a data types is called a secondary constant or variable. Identifiers. These are programmer given names or alias given to the different part of a program. This can be used to name variables, functions, classes, object and so on in a program. Identifiers are names that are used to identify the different parts of a program. This name can be given to things like variable, constant, function, array, structure, etc. It cannot be any keyword or reserved word in C. Names are case sensitive. First character should be a letter, can comprise letter, digit or underscore. Reserved word and keywords are not used. It cannot contain a blank space. It contains all the digit from 0 to 9 but cannot start with a digit. It can contain all the upper and lower alphabets, small a to z and upper a to z and the underscore character. Literals, such values that do not change in a program and remain same independent of the number of times a program is run, called literals. These are constant whose values remain same all through the program. The literals may be integer, floating, character, string, boolean and null. Now step by step discuss all the literals. Integer. These are whole numbers without the fractional part. It can be positive or negative. Floating. These are real constant and are used to represent numbers with fractional values with a decimal point. Character. These represent one character enclosed with single quotes. This may be represented with char data type. String. String are a sequence of characters enclosed within double quotes. Each string is automatically added a null character at the end of the string. Boolean. This type has only two values, true or false. This is represented by the Boolean data types. Null. This literal has no values, not even space or 0. This means nothing. This is represented by null. Punctuators. Certain symbols are used in a C program as punctuation, similar to the punctuation we use in a English sentences. These include curly brackets, semicolon, colon, etc. Instruction. There are four basic types of instruction. Control instruction. These are used for controlling the flow of a program. Arithmetic instruction. These are used for doing calculation involving variables and constant. Example, A equals to B plus C. Input output instruction. These are used to enter a data for calculation and get the output result. Type declaration instruction. These are used to declare the types of variable in a C program. Example, int A, float B, etc. Token. The smallest individual unit in C programs are known as token. It is made up of one or more character of the character set. Token are also known as a lexical unit of a program. Keyword. These token are reserved word that instruct the compiler to perform special predefined tasks: break, case, char, class, continue, default, do, double, else, etc. Some of the example of keywords. Functions. A function is a group of statements that perform some meaningful work and normally returns a result back to the point from where it was used. The process of define a function is called function definition, and process of using it is called a function call. Operator is a token that initialize an operation on operand is an expression. For example, C equals to A plus B. Operator can be of the following types. Mathematical operators. The operators are used to perform arithmetic operation on operand. Plus, minus, into. Example of these. Compound operators. These operators are also called shorthand operator. Increment and decrement operator. These operators are used to give an increment or decrement of 1 to its operand. For example, A plus plus or plus plus A minus minus or minus minus A. Relational operator. These operators are used to establish relation between two operands. Some common relational operators are greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to, etc. Logical operator. These are three operators used to join expression. The logical operators are AND operator, OR operator, logical NOT operator. Assignment operator is used to assign a variable or a constant to a variable. Conditional operator. This is used to check for a condition. Operators can also be classified on the basis of number of operands they work on. Unary operator work on only one operands like plus plus. For example, plus plus A minus minus. Binary operator work on two operands like plus, for example, A plus B. Ternary operator work on three operands like conditional operator. These are the short example of fundamentals of C program.